In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where the language option lives, how to switch it, and what to expect once you make the change. First, open Perplexity AI in your browser or app. This ensures you're on the main interface where you can access your account controls. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner for your profile icon. It might show your avatar or a generic profile symbol. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is where Perplexity keeps the most commonly used settings, so you don't have to dig around. Next, click on Settings. This takes you to a dedicated space for personalizing how Perplexity behaves and looks. Inside Settings, head to the Preferences section. Preferences is where you control things like display and language, so it's the right spot for this change. Now, find the language option. It should sit alongside other general preferences. Click the drop-down menu to reveal the list of available languages. Scroll until you see your preferred language, then select it. There's no need to click a Save button. Perplexity applies your choice right away. You'll notice the interface updates immediately. Menu labels, prompts, and other text switch to the language you selected without a page reload. If it seems to take a moment, give it a second or briefly navigate away and back to confirm the change has taken effect. Here's a quick tip that can save you time. If you set language to automatic, Perplexity will answer in the same language as your question. That means you can ask in Spanish, French, or English, and the response will match. This is especially handy if you regularly switch languages or share the device with someone who prefers a different one. A couple of helpful notes. Changing the language affects the interface and the system's default behavior, but it doesn't alter your existing conversations. Those will remain as they were written. Also, if you're using Perplexity across multiple devices, the setting typically follows your account, so you won't have to redo it every time you sign in elsewhere. And if you ever want to switch back, just return to Preferences, open the language drop-down, and pick a new option. The change will be instant. That's it. You've just adjusted the language in Perplexity AI quickly and cleanly, with no extra steps or hidden menus. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to repeat the process anytime your language needs change.